Today we're going to be making the best chicken thighs ever.
Before we get started, let me turn on the music because I love cooking to the beat.
Little dude, how much was that again?
$19.99. It's only $19.99.
That's a bargain, man.
Today, we're gonna make some killer chicken thighs. First, we're gonna clean the chicken. I have about 5 pounds here. I'm removing the extra fat as well as the extra skin. Done. I'm gonna rinse it with a little bit of lime, vinegar. Don't forget to remove some of the yellow residue from the chicken. You can use your hands or scissors to do this. Once I'm done cleaning and rinsing the chicken, I'm gonna use a napkin to pat dry any moisture so that our chicken cooks really nicely and we get a nice crispy skin. I love that skin. Take a screenshot now so you don't get lost. I'm gonna be adding in garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, black pepper, paprika, some dried parsley, as well as some Creole seasoning and salt. I'm also adding adobo seasoning. Now, I'll give it a quick mix before we add the seasoning to the chicken. Now, let's put some olive oil on the chicken so that the seasoning sticks to it. Give it a mix. After that, we'll add the seasoning. There's still some fat remaining on the chicken because that's what's going to make it nice and moist and not too dry. If you remove all of the fat, you're not going to have enough grease or oil to make this chicken juicier. Let's rub in the seasoning on both sides. Make sure you season this chicken really well because that's what's going to make it pop. This seasoning combination is my best one, so do it like this and you'll love it. It looks great. What I'm going to be doing is covering this chicken and putting it in the fridge for about 15 minutes to get the flavor of the seasoning. But if you don't have time, just put it in the oven on 350 for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Your chicken will be amazing.
How convenient is that, man? $19.99.
Once it's done, it looks so juicy and delicious.
This merch tonight, 'cause it's only
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this recipe. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know if you're going to try this. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next Try My Chow recipe video.
easy payments.
Easy payment.